You're here because you want to understand what the risks are and how you manage them. So let's start with the basics. So what is combustible dust? The definition, basically any solid material that has been ground down or reduced into particle sizes that are small enough that they can catch on fire. And so it's not just the material, it's the characteristics of the dust you're producing in your facility. So you may have aluminum in your facility, but if you're not grinding, machining, etc., creating fine particles out of it, it may not be combustible. On the other hand, you may have, something that's not highly explosible generally, but if you're doing a lot of sanding of wood and so forth, you may be creating very small particle sizes and the concentrations that will allow that under certain conditions to catch on fire and explode. So that's basically the idea for what is combustible dust.